Hello everyone, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the cute card I have to share with you today. Isn't it sweet? You've got the little hello friend in the grass and a little elephant walking with its umbrella, not umbrella, balloon. I don't know, every time I see this I think of the song Nelly the Elephant packed her trunk and said goodbye to the circus. I'm not going to sing it because I have an awful voice, but it's so cute. So let me show you what I did. First stamps that I use is this one called Biggest Wish, and I use Hello Friend, and you've seen me use these an umpteen time. And I'm going to stamp in Melon Mambo because I wanted a nice bright colour, and this definitely qualifies. Give it a good ink up, press down, and just stamping on a piece of basic white cardstock. Give it a good press with a bit of a thumpy. Lovely. Just like that. So I'm going to take that out of our Stamparatus, out of harm's way, and we're going to give everything a clean up. As you can see, I've made a right mess. And give it a nice, really nice clean, good squeak. Okay, take those stamps off our Stamparatus. I'm going to get rid of my foam mat, but the next stamps I'm going to use is a cling one. So I need a scrap piece of cardstock. This will do. So it's just a scrap piece of basic white, and then this is the elephant stamp set. Isn't it cute? Elephant Parade. I'm going to use this little elephante here. There we go. So let's put this little one down, and we need our little balloon, and then we also need this titchy little butterfly. So we're going to stamp everything together. Just like that. I'm going to stamp it in Memento because we're going to colour in using my lovely Stampin' Blend alcohol markers that I adore. So down, give it a good old thump, press, whatever you want to do, whatever works for you. A thump usually works best for me. There we go. So I'm going to take this out of my Stamparatus and move that aside for now, and I'm just going to show you what I'm going to colour in. I'm going to put you on fast forward while I do the colouring. I'll show you the colours I use. Is Grey Granite for the Elefante, Bermuda Bay for my butterfly, and Melon Mambo for my balloon. And then I do have my colour lifter and one of the skin tones, number 1000, to use for blush on his cheeks. So I'm going to colour it in, and then I will cut it out, whoops, using the matching dies. And I'm going to use these two little grass dies as well and cut them out as some old olives that'll look like that. So I'm going to get on and do all that, and I'll see you soon. Okay, so I've cut everything out. Now let's start to assemble the card. So I've got a card base here of Melon Mambo, and it's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I'm going to put a piece of basic white as an insert on the inside. On the outside we're going to stick down this piece we stamped, making sure we put it the right way around, just like that. And then we're going to bring in our little pieces. So here's a little elefante, and I'm going to pop her up on some dimensionals. And there's my baby ones, so I can get one over here. Okay, and take the backings off. Get rid of those, and then I'm going to have just waltzing along the top of the sentiment just like that, and then I'm going to put a dimensional on the back of my balloon. I'm going to have her holding the balloon just like that. Okay, is that cute? And now our little pieces of grass. Oh, well, first we're going to have our little butterfly here. Again, just on top like a head decoration. Little bits of grass here. So it looks like the sentiment is nestled in the grass, and I'm starting at the centre so I can try and get everything as even as whoopsie daisy as possible. Ugh. I've got glue on my fingers, so it obviously wants to stick to me and not the card, which is just typical. Okay. Get the glue off my fingers and maybe it'll help. You don't need much glue along the bottom here. There we go, and one more. Now I did think of putting some extra embellishments on this, rhinestones or sequins or something, but I actually just like the clean look that it gave like this. So there we are. There's our little cards. So I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about the project, supply list, the measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.